I forgot to show you the xl12, but here's the xl12 I'm working on. I already put a new fresh piston and cylinder in this one. I got it swapped out. And this original line is broke, so I got me a new one coming in. I got a new one coming in for it. I got a bunch of these laying around everywhere. There's one of the studs I ordered, but the original one broke, so I ordered a new one for it. It'll be here soon. I'm gonna put this new piece on its muffler. That fits on there like a glove, and no problem. But anyways, once I get it all put back together, I'll try to do a video on it again by doing a cold start on it. Anyways, I'll see you later when that time comes. After I get it put together, you will see this thing put back together again. Anyways, bye.